सुख करता दुख हरता वार्ता विघ्नाची दुर्वे पुरवे प्रेम कृपा जयाची सर्वांगी सुंदर ओटी शेंदुराची कंठी झळके।
कौन है ये लोग? कहां से आते हैं?
थिएटर बंद कर, मेरा ड्रिंक बना।
ये चिल्ला मत बना रहा हूँ बात। लगता है मुझे आज बहुत चढ़ गई है।
Hi Kishori and hello everyone present there. मैंने और किशोरी ने सन 1988 में ONGC ज्वाइन किया और मेरा जो पहला फील्ड सीजन था बहराइच में, हम दोनों एक साथ एक ही पार्टी में पोस्टेड थे। पहला साल जीवन में बहुत कुछ परिवर्तन लेके आए। हम लोग छात्र जीवन से नौकरी में आए और घर से और परिवार से काफ़ी दूर रहे, पर इन सारे मित्रों की वजह से बहुत अच्छा गुजरा। किशोरी लाल विशेष तौर पे बहुत ही इंथ्यूजियास्टिक और डायनामिक प्रवृत्ति के धनी हैं। स्पोर्ट्स में भी इनकी काफ़ी रुचि रही है और हम लोग साथ में खेलते भी थे शाम को फील्ड से आने के बाद। सो पहला साल इनके साथ बहुत अच्छा गुजरा हमारा। बाद में तो खैर हमारा ट्रांसफ़र हो गया और ये देहरादून में कंटिन्यू किए। किशोरी ने साइस्मिक एक्सप्लोरेशन के हर पहलू पे, चाहे वो साइस्मिक डाटा एक्विजिशन हो, साइस्मिक डाटा प्रोसेसिंग हो या इंटरप्रिटेशन हो, एक्सप्लोरेशन मैनेजमेंट हो, हर फील्ड का अनुभव हासिल किया है। इन्होंने जोरहट में भी काम किया, बड़ौदा में काम किया, देहरादून में END में, फ्रंटियर बेसिन और जियोपिक में, सभी जगहों पे काम किया और अपने परिश्रम और मिलनसार व्यक्तित्व की वजह से काफ़ी कुछ अपनी जीवन में हासिल कर सके। और अंतिम चरण में ये हेड इंटेक के रूप में पहुँचे, वहाँ से रिटायर हो रहे हैं। ये बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट है एक जियोफिजिसिस्ट के लिए, जिसने कि जीवन में एक्सप्लोरेशन के हर पहलू को देखा और इतनी बड़ी ऊंची पोस्ट से रिटायर हो रहे हैं। हमारी तरफ से किशोरी लाल जी को, उनके परिवार को बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं। निश्चित तौर पे इनका रिटायरमेंट ONGC के लिए एक नुकसान है, पर उनके लिए अब समय आ गया है कुछ आनंद करने का, अपने परिवार के साथ समय बिताने का, और वो चीज़ें जो शायद अपने जीवन में नौकरी के दौरान नहीं कर पाए, उनको करने का, उनका आनंद उठाने का समय है। तो उसके लिए वो आनंद उठाएंगे। ईश्वर से हमारी प्रार्थना है किशोरी लाल, आप सुखी रहें, स्वस्थ रहें, हमेशा प्रसन्नचित्त रहें और हम लोग जो है आपस में बीच बीच में मिलते जुलते भी रहें। सो इन्हीं शुभकामनाओं के साथ आप सबको नमस्कार, धन्यवाद।
Good afternoon to all my geopatients. First of all, I am thankful to Shri Dobriyal ji for giving me slot in this superannuation function of Kishori Lal ji. विदाई का है दिन, माहौल है गमगीन, रब से दुआ है आप यूं हंसते रहें, मुस्कुराते रहें और सदा सभी के दिल में बसते रहें। Yes, it is a nostalgic moment for me. The friend and colleague with whom I started my journey in ONGC is retiring today. I was associated with Kishori Lal ji, I will say, from the day one when I started my journey in ONGC after completion of my DT training. I was posted to GP 91, Geophysical Party number 91, which was having its office in Dehradun, IMD, now ONGC Academy. We were there together for many years and lots of memories are coming as flash. Our working in field, staying together, eating together, sharing the mass and coming across all the hurdles in the field. Off-season activities, submission of data, repairing of geophones, repairing of cables, repairing of vehicles at Bareilly office, Khajanchi wali Koti, I think you may be remembering Kishori ji. For many years we were together in the seismic party. After that Kishori Lal ji went to Geopic in the processing division. I was there, and in 2002-2003 we were transferred to Northeast together. From there he went to Baroda and I was in Bombay. And again we were together in Geopic, and but we were in touch. and we were having discussions on the BXB and EPMB proposal and other technical issues when he was basin coordinator of Western Offshore Basin and I was in Bombay. As you all know, he's very fond of sports and I am attached to that. I have seen him rushing to the volleyball court immediately after coming from the field. When I used to go to my tent, he used to rush towards the volleyball court along with the other team players. So Kishore Lal ji, all the best to you. And another thing, just I'm remembering we have family ties also, connection with family as we belong to the same town, and I remember most of the team personnel from Geophysical Party number 91 came to attend my wedding along with Kishore Lal ji in 1992. So all the best, Kishore ji. Keep yourself busy, healthy, happy and contented, and be attached with sports as usual. All the best. See you soon at Dehradun. Regards.
Namaskar. Good afternoon to all. Today we all are gathered here to celebrate the remarkable journey of our dear colleague Shri Kishorilal Baluni ji. During this fabulous journey of more than 36 years, Shri Kishorilal ji has served this esteemed organization in various capacity, and he has contributed a lot to the growth of this organization. And today he is stepping into a well-deserved retirement. In fact, retirement does not mean the retirement from work, because it can never happen. जैसा कि कहा भी गया है, सर्वे कर्म वसा वयम, कि हम सभी कर्म के अधीन हैं, इसलिए इस भौतिक जगत में रह के कर्म तो करना ही पड़ेगा. But now onward, it will not be restricted to some predefined schedule. It will be now your own schedule. Work will be also of your own choice, and whatever work, whatever job you want to pursue, you can pursue as per your own desire and as per your own schedule. As far as my association with Mr. Kishorilal Baluni ji is concerned, it is since our college days, when both of us were studying in DBS college. And by the grace of Almighty God, I got the opportunity to work with him during my service life also. Our friendship grew further when both of us were there in Intech. During that period, you made an indelible impression on our heart. Beyond your professional achievement, it is your kindness, friendliness and generosity and unwavering support which we will miss the most. Thank you, boss, for everything you have done for us. Your contributions have been invaluable, significant, and your presence will be deeply missed. One more thing I want to say about Mr. Kishori Lalji is that he is a very good sport person, and because of his sportsman quality, he has always been successful in creating a most effective and cohesive team. Dear Kishori Lalji, as you embark on this new chapter of your life, I, along with my GPS friends and with my family members also, wish you and your family member all the happiness and prosperity. May your post-retirement life be full of joy, peace and good health. आप इसी तरह मुस्कुराहट बिखेरते रहें, हमेशा खुश रहें और अपने इर्द गिर्द पॉजिटिविटी का वातावरण बनाते रहें. जय हिंद, जय उत्तराखंड, धन्यवाद.
Yes. Today we gathered to celebrate a remarkable milestone in the life of our dear colleague Shri Kishori Lal. After 36 years of dedicated service, he is stepping into a well-deserved retirement. Congratulations from all of us. Shri Kishori Lal has been more than just a colleague. He has been one of my best friends. His journey with ONGC began in 1988, and since then he has made an indelible mark on our team and our heart. Throughout his career, Shri Kishori Lal exemplified the values of hard working, integrity and the dedication. He has always been the first to arrive and last to leave, ensuring that every task was completed with the utmost precision and care. His commitment to excellence has set a standard for officers to aspire to. I personally have a long association with him, and our friendship grew when we were together in Western Onshore Basin for 7 years and then again at Intech. Beyond his professional achievement, it is kindness, generosity and unwavering support that will miss the most. I extend my best wishes for a good health, prosperity, energetic and peaceful, active life to come, and look forward to hear about you for your new adventures. All the best. I wish all the best to you and your family.
Kishori Lalji, good evening, and finally the day is here, and I have to tell you that you are the gentlest, the most considerate, the happiest, ever smiling person that I have known in a long time. I'll miss you in the meetings, in the BXBs that we have attended together in the last few years, and all the whisperings that we used to be doing during the meetings. It's going to be sad without you over there. Wish you luck, wish you happiness, wish you good health with you and with your family, and all the best. Thank you.